welcome back to today's video. For today's video, I have my Amazon Prime Day recommendations, and these are all things that I own. So I have created a list of all my Amazon recent purchases and things that I highly recommend for this amazing deal. Prime Day is only a couple days away, so I created the list and created some links to make it easy for you to shop and check out these incredible items. Be warned, there is a lot of pink. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me start with the product I am most excited about. It is this Kodak Mini Shot 3 Era instant camera and printer. I am beyond excited, and this was actually gifted to me from Kodak, so thank you so much, Kodak, for this incredible gift. I can't say enough about this camera. Like, look at this. This is so incredible. This literally brings me back so many childhood memories, and now that they come up with this brings it to a whole new level. Like, you'll be able to take pictures of those most precious moments and memories. Now you can also print any pictures from your phone onto this little mini printer, and it prints out just right on the side right here. The Kodak Mini Shot 3 Era features this incredible lens to capture all your moments and memories. It has a little mirror here for selfies if you want to see what you're looking at, and then you also have a flash. So this is optional. You can either do auto, you can turn the flash on and off, and the shutter is right on the top for easy access. On the side right here underneath this little flap is where you can recharge your camera, so no batteries are needed. I am so happy about this. On the other side right here is where you have this LCD screen where you can capture all your pictures and be able to see what you are taking pictures of before you print them. So that is a great plus. You are able to preview what you are printing before you even print it out. So if you don't like what you see, you can just delete it. On this side here, this is like the menu. It is super user friendly and very, very easy. That's another huge plus. Totally love that about it. And this is where you click to print. You can also print straight from your phone. If you have a specific photo that you want to print out, you can connect it to the Bluetooth with this using the app, and it will just print out automatically from your camera. The side right here is where the picture comes out, and it only takes a few seconds and you'll be able to see the picture that you captured. So this does come in two different colors. You can either get all black or you can get yellow and black for a more like retro look. It's just like so nice to be able just to take a camera, snap a picture, and have that moment there with you. So I will link this down below, but I am beyond excited and I'm so happy that I have this gorgeous camera. So speaking about cameras, I do want to share this really cute case. It is all pink, and I got this so that I could store my other camera and also all my SD cards and cables. It is super cute and very, very compact. You can just easily throw this in your purse. It does have this little mesh compartment here so you can put your SD cards, and that way they won't fall. Another of my Amazon recommendations and must-haves is this super cool scale, and it's light pink. It's so pretty. The best thing about this is that it's Bluetooth, it's digital, and you can track your weight, your BMI, everything from this app that you can download on your phone. This here is definitely like a must. I had one of the very like basic scales, but I wanted to take it to a whole new level and be able to track everything. I highly recommend it. It does come in many colors, but of course, you girls know I had to get mine in pink. So for my closet, I got some more hangers. I did have some, but I had to order a little bit more because I changed up the way that my closet looks, and I got these pearl hangers with the cute little bow detail on them. This came in a pack of 5, I believe, so I ended up getting 2 packs. But these just make your closet look so beautiful, and it just makes everything displayed look so much better. So I highly recommend these. These are definitely like a must if you want your closet to look super girly and cute. Another thing that I also highly recommend from Amazon if you're getting married is this super cute hanger. I got this and you can customize the bow. So of course I got the pink bow to go with it and the words on the bottom that say bride. I think this is like so special, and it's something that I'm gonna keep in my closet literally like forever, and it just brings me back those incredible memories of when I had my wedding party. So I'll definitely link this down below as well, and you can choose the color of the hanger. So you can choose like the color, the hardware, if you want it to be like gold, rose gold, or silver. So highly recommend that. Another thing that I highly recommend you get on this Amazon Prime Day is this hanger that I have here in the back, and basically it's just kind of something that you can install to your closet. It's like a rod, you pull it out and you're able to hang your outfit of the day or your purse. I have my purse in there right now. It's like purse that I'll be using for the day, but it's such a must-have, and again it comes in different colors, different tones. I posted an Instagram reel not long ago on these 3 candles that I got from Amazon. These I highly recommend. They are so realistic and they look so beautiful. These are battery operated. They also come with a remote control where you can control the brightness, you can dim them down, you can also choose a timer, and you can choose the way that the candle flicks. So you can either choose like a steady light or a flickering light for a more realistic look. These came in a pack of 3. They come in different colors. You girls know I had to get them in pink, but they are just so beautiful, and it just elevates your decor to a whole new level. So definitely check these out. These are definitely one of my favorite decor items right now. So I have some purses that are my favorite and I like to display. So I decided to get this really cute hook also from Amazon, and it is adjustable so you can adjust the length. But this is so cute because you can just hang your purse here and it displays so nice, and it just makes it look more like a boutique style. This is definitely a must, and if you like to organize your wardrobe and your closet area, I highly recommend you check this out. So a few weeks ago I saw a post that Charlotte posted on her Instagram on this gorgeous rug that she got, and she was super sweet to share the link with me, and of course I went ahead and I ordered this rug. I am beyond obsessed with it. It is beautiful. The quality is incredible, and I cannot believe the price. It does come in different sizes. I also have this other rug that I also got from Amazon. It's more like a fuzzy rug, but it's so soft. It's literally incredibly soft. I love putting it under my vanity and just putting on my makeup when I'm just like stepping on it. It's super silky and I love the way it looks. It's literally like the perfect pink. So I'll link that down below as well. Moving on to some bathroom stuff. I don't know if you saw my last video of me redoing my bathroom. I decided to get some shelves. I actually got these from Amazon and I cannot believe the price. It was literally super affordable, and it came in a pack of 3, but I ended up only using 2 of the shelves, so I still have to find a place to put this other shelf somewhere, probably in my closet. But it's so pretty. It has this like gold bar, and I just love that look right now of like the white and the gold. I think it looks so pretty, but I highly recommend it. It did come in a pack of 3, and it does come in different finishes. I did get it in white. I also forgot to mention that I got this beautiful island. It's actually an island, but I am using it more like a dresser. It is so beautiful. I got this off of Amazon and it is so perfect. It has like the gold handles and it has the glass top, which is so beautiful. This is why you can use this as an island. I wish I had like a bigger room because I would definitely use it as an island, but it's just like more as a dresser for me, like as a side table. And what's great about it is that you can open this and you can put all your things in there. So I just recently got this not long ago, so I haven't really like organized it that well, but you can definitely put so many cute things in there, and I think it's just so pretty. So my husband surprised me with a new laptop. He saw that my laptop was super old and he decided to surprise me with a brand new one. He's like literally the sweetest. He takes such good care of me. I love you so much, babe. But he got me a new computer and I needed to get a new case. So I did get this off of Amazon and it's so pretty. It's literally like the prettiest case I have. It is sparkly, but it's smooth and it just makes your computer look more pink. And it does have these like little rubber feet, so when you place it down, it's not going to be like slipping everywhere. It did come with one of those like keyboard little mats, but I don't know, I just can't work with those, so I got rid of that and I just kept the case. But it did come in different colors. Highly recommend it. It just makes your computer look so girly and so pink. So many of you might not know this, but I am a teacher and I always carry like tons of things with me. When I'm walking into my classroom, I literally have just a bunch of stuff in my hands instead of putting it in a purse. And I do have purses, but I don't necessarily like to bring those to work. I like to have like a separate bag, and I needed one. So I decided to get this super cute bag. It is the Kipling bag. I think that's how you say it. I might be butchering it, but it's adorable. It has this super adorable little gorilla keychain. It's all light pink. It's so pretty. It has so many little compartments. It has like zippers everywhere. It's so big and it's a crossbody. So I've been using this literally nonstop every day to go to work. I just throw everything in there. It fits perfectly and the strap is just so comfy. So last but not least, let's move on to some kitchen gadgets. I don't have them necessarily in front of me, but I will link them right up here. I did get these super cute pink utensils. Actually, my husband got them for me. I love the way my kitchen looks with them in pink. It just looks so girly and I love to cook, so he knows that and he got those for me. He also got me a brand new little mini toaster oven in pink. Like, oh my goodness, this little toaster oven is incredible. It heats up my food so quick. It's also an air fryer, so it's almost like a 2-in-1. It's like a toaster, a mini oven, and an air fryer. Actually, that's 3-in-1. Why was I saying 2? But I highly recommend it. It's so tiny, but don't be fooled with the capacity and the amount of things that this mini oven can do. It literally has so much. It's just perfect, and it's pink. Like, come on, we have to love the pink. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you loved today's video and my Amazon Prime Day recommendations. I will leave all the links to all the items mentioned down below. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.